So I would like to start by congratulating everybody today who has achieved, or rather who has joined consistency offer, because it sounds very simple, consistency, but it's actually a very, very important word. So I will like to just say to everybody, welcome. You have taken the first step towards consistency. And consistency is such a word which is not to be taken lightly. An example I will give you. We are here as the #1 Seabuckthorn company in India because of our consistency. We have been consistently undertaking research and development for the last 25 years. So our efforts, our consistent efforts, have resulted in this meeting today. Do not underestimate the power of consistency. Right at the outset, I will say that every one of you has taken the first step, and you must make sure that everybody you come into contact with must join consistency offer immediately. As soon as the opportunity presents itself in the first week of every month, your first question should be to whoever you meet, good morning, how are you? आपने कंसिस्टेंसी तो ज्वाइन कर लिया ना? नहीं किया? नहीं किया तो जल्दी करके इनवॉइस का कॉपी भेजो, क्योंकि आपको अगला जो वर्चुअल मीट होने वाला है उसमें इनविटेशन भेजना है. Everybody, please note what I say. It is very important that from now on, whoever you meet, you have to ask one question after good morning. Have you joined consistency? क्या आपने consistency offer avail किया, join किया, नहीं किया? अगर नहीं किया तो हमें इमीडिएटली अगले अपॉर्चुनिटी पे ज्वाइन करके इनवॉइस का कॉपी भेजो, ताकि हम आपका अगले वर्चुअल मीट के लिए एंट्री करवाएं. I will be meeting everybody after the consistency joining in February and March. Once more, I will be meeting everybody. The dates we will be announcing later. So the objective today to meet all of you virtually has been to make you understand one very important part about our journey with Seabuckthorn. हमारा सफर बहुत ही दिलचस्प रहा है. हमें उस सफर में बहुत मजा आया है. हमें उसकी क्रिएशंस, प्रोडक्ट्स क्रिएशंस और टेस्टिमोनियल्स का फीडबैक और रिजल्ट्स में और भी बहुत मजा आया है. इस वक्त हम और भी एक्साइटेड हैं. हमारी एक्साइटमेंट इतनी है कि हम अपने आप को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते हैं कभी कभी, क्योंकि रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट जो करते जा रहे हैं उससे नई नई चीजें उभर के आ रही हैं, और उन चीजों का लाभ बहुत नजर आता है कि इंसानियत को उसका बहुत लाभ होगा. तो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट मैं आपसे बात करना चाहूंगा कि आप सब एक यूनिक स्पेस में हैं. You are part of a very unique organization, a unique space you are occupying, because unlike other direct selling companies which have got a large variety of products, we have got something very, very unique, which is a concept of a miracle berry, a miracle concept, a concept of health, a concept of well-being, and that concept runs across the entire product range like an explosion. an explosion of goodness. ये जो आपके पास सीबकथॉर्न के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, ये प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं हैं. आप जब किसी को समझाते हैं, किसी नए इंसान को जो क्यूरियस है, इंटरेस्टेड है, अपनी हेल्थ को संभालना चाहता है, तो आपने एक चीज जरूर पुट अक्रॉस करनी है कि ये प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, ये प्रकृति का वरदान है, ये एक मिरेकल है. ये ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट है जो कि आप इमेजिन करिए कि अंडर न्यूट्रिशन, पुअर न्यूट्रिशन से रिलेटेड जो इश्यूज हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, उसको सॉर्ट आउट कर देता है. डाइट रिलेटेड जो नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस है, उनको दूर रखता है. आयरन डेफिशिएंसी में काम आता है, विटामिन ए डेफिशिएंसी में काम आता है, अदर विटामिन की डेफिशिएंसीज में काम आता है, नेचुरली काम आता है, क्रॉनिक एनर्जी डेफिशिएंसी में काम आता है. विटामिन बी जो रेयरली मिलता है फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल से, उसमें बहुत इश्यूज को सॉर्ट आउट करता है. सीरियस इश्यूज, हार्ट इश्यूज सॉर्ट आउट करता है, स्ट्रोक्स प्रिवेंट करता है, डायबिटीज दूर रखता है, लाइफस्टाइल कंडीशंस दूर रखता है, सॉर्ट आउट करता है, वेरी वेरी डेंजरस थिंग्स लाइक कैंसर दूर रखता है. So this sort of miracle to keep so many bad things away is actually प्रकृति का वरदान. आपको ये ढूंढने से भी नहीं मिलेगा कहीं. 10,000 फुट हिमालय की चोटियों पे पाया जाता है. 10,000 फुट, वहां कोई नहीं है, ऑक्सीजन भी नहीं है. The air is less in oxygen by 60% from the normal sea level. There is no pollution, there is no human being, there are no trees, there is nothing except this miracle plant which has taken nutrition from deep into the earth, from inside the earth. It has taken nutrition from 200 feet. It has pulled out the nutrition, and it has packed itself with the goodness of 190 multivitamins, minerals, compounds, omega-3, omega-6, omega-7, omega-9, vitamin B complex. It is an amazing thing. ऐसी अमेजिंग कुदरती प्राकृतिक चीज आपको ढूंढने से भी नहीं मिलेगी कहीं. और उसकी पावर को हमने 25 साल की रिसर्च के बाद एक कॉन्सेप्ट को आपके सामने प्रोडक्ट्स के बेसिस पे सामने पेश कर दिया है, और उनके रिजल्ट्स आप ले चुके हैं. प्रोडक्ट विद अ मेजरेबल रिजल्ट, कॉन्सेप्ट विद अ मेजरेबल रिजल्ट, लाइफस्टाइल टारगेटिंग रिजल्ट्स, सो दैट योर इश्यूज आर टेकन केयर ऑफ. सो यू अंडरस्टैंड, ये कॉन्सेप्ट यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट है. इट पुट्स यू इन अ यूनिक स्पेस. ये इट इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम नेचर, प्रकृति से पाया गया है. और आपकी जो ह्यूमन बॉडी है और आप हैं जो कि पार्ट ऑफ नेचर है. नेचर इज यूज्ड टू कीप यू हेल्दी, टू कीप डिजीजेस एट बे, to give you a good lifestyle, to sort out any condition. So the first and foremost thing again to achieve all of this again comes back to consistency. If you, अगर आप consistently ये चीजें यूज करेंगे खुद, तभी तो आपको benefits मिलेंगे. So the benefits of health, the benefits of wealth will consistently flow to you when you consistently use the product. Today we have given you a very wide range. Let it be a hand wash, or let it be a breakfast cereal cornflakes. You have got a wide spectrum of healthy food, healthy products, natural stuff to use. I think that you have already proved that you are smart, intelligent by availing of this consistency. Now you have to spread the message. Every one of you has got to have at least 5 to 10 people joining under you, taking advantage of this consistency, taking advantage of the good health, taking advantage of the generation of wealth. Imagine if underneath you everybody is taking consistency in the first week. How much matching will there take place? How much matching, how much generation of income will happen? At the same time, how much good health you will get? Remember one thing, good health does not come in one day. Good health is the result of a consistent, conscious effort to use in a conscious manner, use the Sea Buckthorn products, which are nothing but a miracle of nature for yourself. So, आप उस घोड़े की तरह मत बनो जिसको पानी तो दिख गया लेकिन पिया नहीं उसने. घोड़े को आप पानी के पास ले जा सकते हो लेकिन पिला नहीं सकते. ऐसे मत बनो. वो आपके पास मिरेकल सामने है. Jump for it. Utilize it. Utilize its goodness for yourself. Spread the goodness. Spread the good word. Utilize the goodness. It will give you good health and it will give you wealth if you consistently use it. आज मैं सी बकथॉर्न के प्रोडक्ट्स को 15 साल से ज्यादा अप्रोक्सीमेटली हो गया मुझे यूज करते हुए. 14 हो सकता है, 14-15 साल हो गया है. Consistently I am using it. Why? Human body to be healthy needs a continuous feeding of good things. आप कंटिन्यूसली अच्छी अच्छी चीजें डालिए अपने बॉडी में, आपकी हेल्थ अच्छी रहेगी. आप कंसिस्टेंटली ऑर्डिनरी cheap products without utility, without value, without nutrition, without any facts, आप उन सबको डालिए अपने अंदर. Obviously a time will come when you will get a huge bomb on your head. हाय ये हो गया, हाय डॉक्टर ने ये बोल दिया, हाय ये टेस्ट रिपोर्ट में ये निकला, हाय. तो हाय हाय से बचो. आपके सामने जो चीज आई है वो मैं नहीं लेके आया. आपने किसी वक्त कुछ अच्छे कर्म किए होंगे, भगवान आपके सामने लेके आ गया है. The Almighty has put something in front of you for your intellect to understand, to use in a consistent manner. So go for it. It is something you have now. It is something so rare. Imagine, हिमालय के ऊपर चोटियों में ये 10,000 फुट से ऊपर पाया जाता है. कोई नहीं है वहां, ह्यूमन बीइंग ही नहीं है, जानवर ही नहीं है, पेड़ नहीं है, पौधे नहीं है. ऐसी ठंडी हवा चलती है. कभी कभी ठंडी हवा जब आती है, जब मैं वहां होता हूं, पीठ को जकड़ लेती है वो. यू स्टार्ट शिवरिंग. लेकिन ये पौधा वहां बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से फल रहा है, भरपूर तरीके से. और एक और बात है इसमें, सिर्फ 20 दिन के लिए ये अवेलेबल है ये पौधा. इसका जो फ्रूट है रेडी फॉर यूज, रेडी फॉर हार्वेस्ट ओनली फॉर 20 डेज इन द एंटायर ईयर. उस 20 डेज में हम इसको हार्वेस्ट करके, प्रोसेस करके, इसको हम आपके लिए इन रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट की फ्रूट्स की वजह से आपको हम ये प्रोडक्ट्स देते हैं, ये मिरेकल्स देते हैं. आई डोंट लुक एट इट एज प्रोडक्ट एनीमोर, आई लुक एट इट एज अ मिरेकल बिकॉज इट सॉर्ट्स आउट सो मच इनसाइड यू. ऑल्सो जो रूट कॉज ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम है ना, what is the root cause of an issue in a human body? It goes and sorts it out. And let me tell you very clearly today, the root cause of disease, if you ask any learned doctor, he will tell you the root cause of disease is malnutrition or poor nutrition. We unfortunately as a human race, we have started consuming things which are taste oriented only. बहुत टेस्टी, अरे वाह क्या स्वाद है. But as far as the nutrition quotient goes, those things do nothing for our human body. They just overload it. Our human body has to get overworked to process that filth out of us. It is advisable to avoid all this fast food, junk food as much as possible. Go for this miracle which is in front of you again. Consistently. Again, I'm saying it consistently. This consistency offer is not a joke. It is not a joke. We have thought very well and hard regarding this, and the concept of Sebuckthorn, which I'm again and again speaking to you about, is the reason why you need to go for it. Another thing I'll tell you, very, very important thing regarding Sebuckthorn, the Sebuckthorn berry, the Sebuckthorn bush, the Sebuckthorn plant, the miracle of Sebuckthorn is that, which is something which people ask me, बहुत लोग मेरे से पूछते हैं, इसमें साइड इफेक्ट तो नहीं होगा ना? तो मैं हंसता हूं, मैं पूछता हूं, जब आप पिज्जा खाते हो आप ये पूछते हो कि ये पिज्जा में साइड इफेक्ट तो नहीं होगा? पिज्जा में सैचुरेटेड फैट भरा हुआ है, सैचुरेटेड फैट भरा हुआ है, चीज भरा हुआ है, प्रोसेस्ड सॉल्ट भरा हुआ है, मैदा भरा हुआ है, वेजिटेबल पता नहीं कहां से आया, उसमें कितना पेस्टिसाइड और फर्टिलाइजर है, लेकिन उसके बारे में कोई नहीं पूछता कि इसका कोई साइड इफेक्ट तो नहीं होगा. सीबकथॉर्न ऐसी चीज है, जो हमारा सीबकथॉर्न है, जो बायोसैश का सीबकथॉर्न है, वो वाइल्ड है. It is better than organic. It is wild. It is growing like forests grow, pure, without any fertilizer, without any pesticide, without any contamination. It is a pure product from the forest. All the side effects of Sebuckthorn are good. It gives you energy. It gives you nutrition. It sorts out issues. They are all good effects. So that is one more thing you have to understand. एक और कॉन्सेप्ट, सीबकथॉर्न कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में आपको एक चीज बहुत जबरदस्त समझनी है कि दुनिया में और कोई भी ऐसी बेर नहीं है जिसमें इतने सारे गुण हैं. इतने सारे गुण हैं. ये 30 मिनट का सेशन मेरे लिए काफी नहीं है. किसी दिन कुछ ज्यादा बड़ी अचीवमेंट करोगे तो 3 दिन का सेशन दूंगा मैं आपको, ताकि मैं आपको पूरी इसकी चीजों के, इसके वरदान जो है, इसके बारे में और अच्छी तरह लेंथ में समझा सकूं. बट द पॉइंट इज, आई विल गिव इट टू यू इन 3 मिनट्स. 190 vitamins, minerals, compounds, all the 4 omegas, which are called essential, protective, nutrients and fatty acids, 14 vitamins, 21 amino acids, scores of antioxidants and flavonoids. You can't, you won't, you cannot, you will not find it anywhere. You will find it only with Biosash Sebuckthorn. This miracle from nature has fallen into our laps. We are but the instruments to give it to you. Use it, enjoy it. Consistently. I will repeat that word once more. Consistently. Because good health doesn't come in a day. Wealth doesn't come in a day. Wealth should consistently come your way. To ensure that, consistently use it. Consistently promote it. Make sure whoever comes in contact with you, you consistently ask him whether he or she has consistently bought it. Mark my words, you see the difference in your life. So I'm going to stop on this concept part of my talk, and I will go to another part which you need to understand. Apart from concept, what else? What else? Let me talk of uniqueness. Why? I think, first of all, I will congratulate everybody. They've understood. Because they are part of us, they've understood that they are in a unique space. Congratulations to you all. You have understood that you are unique. You are in a unique space. You're using a unique product. You have so many uniqueness, so much uniqueness with you. I will explain to you what that is all about. First and foremost, you are a concept-driven force. We are concept-driven. We are passionate about our concept. I can't sleep at night if I'm visualizing a product. I can't sleep. I get up in the middle of the night. I quietly come into my office, put on the light, and I start thinking again. I can't sleep. I'm so driven by that. The unique concept and passion drives me, and it drives you. Another very important uniqueness about us is our leadership. Where will you get such passionate, committed, dedicated leadership? You can't get it. I have seen the love and care they give towards me. It's a consistent love and care. You can't get this. It comes from the heart. You can't get this anywhere. It's so important. What comes from your heart is so important in life. I'll go to another aspect of uniqueness. Our pioneering spirit. You have a lot of companies in the world. You have a lot of good products in the world. You have a lot of good products producing good companies producing good products in the world. But you have very few companies producing products first time in the world, who can conceive something, conceive a product and put it into the world the first time. For the first time available to you. Where have you heard last of a company like that? I'll tell you where I heard of it last. I heard of it last very recently. Mr. Elon Musk, through his Tesla car, first in the world concept to give you such a beautiful Tesla car. Such a beautiful car. It's got so many unique firsts. That's the last I read of it. That hit my mind. Wow. I don't know whether it hits your mind, but it really hit me when I gave you that sea buckthorn tomato sauce with natural omega-7. It blew my mind. The taste blew my mind. It took me a long time to reach that, but it blew my mind. And I gave it to you first in the world. There was no other person, company, organization who gave that to you. We got that for our team first in the world. मजा आया, मुझे बहुत मजा आया, मुझे उसको यूज करने में मजा आया, मुझे उसको अपने बच्चों को खिलाने में मजा आया, मुझे उसको अपने डाइनिंग टेबल पे रख के गेस्ट के लिए डाल के मजा आया, मुझे उसकी गुडनेस में मजा आया, मुझे मजा आया कि ओमेगा-7 नेचुरल, वाओ, मजा आया। जब आप हमारे बायोसैश के, हम सब के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं ये, जब आप इसे यूज करते हैं ना, मजे के साथ यूज करिए। और कहीं नहीं है दुनिया में, फर्स्ट इन द वर्ल्ड हम ही हैं। दैट्स माय पॉइंट। मजा लीजिए उसका, आनंद लीजिए उसका। जिंदगी का मजा तभी तो आएगा। So the pioneering spirit must come out in you. You must enjoy each and everything you are consuming. You must enjoy talking about it. You must, this journey of life is finite. One day we are born, We go through youth, we go through middle age, we reach the end of our journey, and we become one with the cosmos again. However, वो जो जर्नी है उसका मजा तो ले लो, अच्छी चीजों को अंदर डालो, अच्छी चीजों को अनुभव करो, अच्छे लोगों को मिलो, मजा आए. फर्स्ट इन द वर्ल्ड सीबकथॉर्न टोमेटो सॉस विद ओमेगा 7 नेचुरल खा रहे हैं समोसे के साथ, तब तो मजा आया जिंदगी का. So I have a good time. Let me confess to you, I have a very good time doing all this. I really love it. I think I'm very fortunate that God has given me this opportunity to share my feelings. I would really love it if every one of us enjoys all these little things the way I do it. So my happiness quotient, fortunately, is very high. It's right on top out there. If I feel little depressed, क्या करना है? सीबकथॉर्न टोमेटो सॉस के साथ एक समोसा ही तो खाना है. So well, I think I need to go to another topic and not bore you so much. So my other favorite topic is how am I, or how are we going to use this Sebakthon concept, this lifestyle. You have to make this Sebakthon, this Biosash Sebakthon range must become your lifestyle. It must make you feel good. Now I'll give you an example of what I did recently. During the lockdown के वक्त, क्योंकि हम ज्यादा घर से बाहर नहीं जा सके और खाने का तो वैसे ही शौक है, तो हमने थोड़ा सा ओवरडू कर दिया. फूड हैबिट्स और लैक ऑफ एक्सरसाइज की वजह से थोड़ा सा वेट पुट ऑन हो गया. मेरा वेट पुट ऑन हो गया. माय स्टमक started sticking out because of the lovely food I was getting sitting in the house without any exercise during the lockdown. तो मेरा वेट थोड़ा पुट ऑन हो गया. अब वेट पुट ऑन हो गया, मजा तो बहुत आया, खाना पीना अच्छा खाया, वेट पुट ऑन हो गया, लेकिन कुछ दिनों बाद मजा नहीं आया. तो मैंने सोचा कि अब इसका वेट को कम करते हैं. लेकिन अब 6-7 महीने में इतना सारा अच्छा खाना खाते हुए अब वो खाना छोड़ना भी नहीं चाहते. So I said, okay, let's lose the weight. Let's lose the weight using our expertise of Sebakthorn. Let's lose the weight. So I went on a very simple way. I just went and started taking Sebakthorn Trimfit juice, Sebakthorn berry oil capsules, and I started on that. And I did one thing. I reduced the quantity of artificial sugar, that's all. And I managed to lose a lot of weight. My stomach doesn't stick out anymore. And I again firsthand used Sebakthorn to sort out my little problem. Now, why am I talking about this? Is because ये मेरी विजन के साथ फिट करता है कि हमारी कंपनी बायोसैश शुड बी अ सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइडर. कि अगर किसी चीज का, छोटा मोटा कोई चीज का या बड़ी चीज का कोई इश्यू नजर आता है, आपको क्लिक होना चाहिए. ओके, which product can I use to sort it out? Okay, want to lose weight? Trimfit. not feeling hungry, Livosash. So the vision which we have is to be able to provide a natural solution, from nature for any little or major issue that a human being may have. So our vision has driven us to give you, for example, through research and development of so many years, the vision has given you not a product. ये आपको प्रकृति का वरदान हमने चैनलाइज करके आपको सॉल्यूशंस दिए हैं. They are not products, they are solutions. They are natural solutions. They are a concept. They are a way of life. They are something you need to consistently use for consistent good health, for consistent wealth generation. So imagine एक छोटी सी बेर, beautiful small orange berry, 10,000 feet in the Himalayas, available for 20 days for harvest, must be processed within 6 hours. Otherwise it goes bad. There's a specific time where they should be harvested in the day. There's a specific traditional method they have to be processed. This method, by the way, we have already applied for a worldwide patent for it. All these little variables perfectly done results in these solutions. Imagine वो जो छोटी सी बेर है आपके एक जूस के बोतल में आ गई. Sea buckthorn juice sounds so nice, but it is packed with solutions. Sea buckthorn juice with turmeric oil, so simple. It is packed with another solution. Sea buckthorn juice with jamun extract, with Karela extract, with Punarnava extract. Sounds so simple. It is backed by a powerful research to give you another specific solution, all derived naturally. Sea buckthorn Livosash juice with 3-4 very specific ingredients designed to give another specific solution. Simple sea buckthorn seed oil capsule, powerhouse of a solution. Sea buckthorn berry oil capsule combined with sea buckthorn seed oil capsule, double powerhouse of a solution. All this wide spectrum juice, lifestyle condition juice, food product of jam, tea, hygiene product, home care product, wide range of cosmetics, wide range of supplements, wide range of essentials. Sea buckthorn cornflakes. Could you imagine? Sea buckthorn cornflakes. Starting your days, your kids starting the day with that. Sea buckthorn tomato sauce. This wide range of different verticals is the beginning. At the back, the research is on. The development is on. So the vision is clear. The research and development carries on to give you more and more miracle products, more and more consistent solutions for good health, for consistent wealth creation. Wealth के बारे में एक चीज और बड़ी जबरदस्त है जो कि हेल्थ को भी अप्लाई करती है. आप सोचिए, आज मैं वेल्थी हूं, आज मैं हेल्थी हूं. व्हाट अबाउट टुमारो? कल का क्या? आपके पास जो आज हेल्थ है आपको कल भी तो चाहिए. आपके पास जो आज वेल्थ है कल भी तो चाहिए. सिर्फ आज से थोड़ी ना हुआ काम. आज जो आपके पास हेल्थ है या वेल्थ है, आपने अपनी हेल्थ की वजह से 6 किलोमीटर की जॉग कर ली. अब आपको, सपोजिंग यू आर 20 years old, आपने 6 किलोमीटर की जॉग तो कर ली. व्हाट अबाउट व्हेन यू आर 40 years old? कैन यू डू दैट? What about when you're 60 years old? Can you do that? What about when you're 70 years old? Can you do that? To be able to do that, आपको वो जो हेल्थ का पार्ट है उसको कंसिस्टेंटली फीड करना है. कंसिस्टेंट यूज, consistent walk, consistent jog, consistent good food, consistent Sebuckthorn, consistent Biocide Sebuckthorn products, then only you will get consistent health. Same with wealth. Such a simple concept. If you just consistently use the products, which will give you consistent good health, and you get everybody else in your contact list to use the product, which are in your tree, you will generate a huge amount of consistent wealth every first week of the month. It's so simple. The concepts here are again very simple, but the trick is to apply it. You need to understand that it has to be applied. वही सिंपल सी वही बात हो गई कि घोड़े को आप पानी तक तो ले जा सकते हो, लेकिन पिला नहीं सकते. So again, I have repeated that to make you understand that the miracle is right in front of you. Please apply it. All you have to do is apply it. Nothing else. Just apply it. So this was the reason why I wanted to interact. Firstly, to congratulate you. Secondly, to make you understand the concept. Thirdly, to understand the uniqueness of it. And fourth, our vision is just started. There's so much research at the back. There is so much new yet to come. There's so much going to be happening in the verticals of that space. All the verticals are going to get new products. We are adding essential range because the focus of everybody has shifted to essentials. And whatever we give you again will be 100% pure. The purity of it is important. The purity of the product is important. There's a big difference, I have said earlier, between quality and purity.